Hello everyone, Jordan here, welcome back to another video. Today you're going to be looking at the newly announced Joby Wavo POD Microphone. This is part of a bigger launch where Joby are aiming to make a splash in the audio solution market. And along with this microphone, Joby have also launched a lav microphone, the Wavo Lav Pro, a wireless microphone kit, the Wavo Air, and two cold tune microphones, the Wavo Pro DS and Wavo Pro. More information about the other launches will be linked below, and a big thank you to Joby for sponsoring this video. The pod is a large diaphragm microphone aimed towards podcasters and live streamers. You've got the option between cardioid, most commonly used by streamers, then omnidirectional for 360 degree sound pickup. Both of these pickup patterns feature 24-bit, 48 kHz sampling rates with a frequency response from 20 to 20,000 Hz for high quality sound. You've also got 3.5mm headphone monitoring with zero latency to make sure you're always in your desired level range, and a gain control knob if you need to make quick adjustments. It also includes a pop shield in the box and plug and play USB-C for the most up-to-date connectivity standard. The microphone comes in a foam enclosure to keep it well protected in shipping. Then you'll also find a 3m USB-A to USB-C cable and a 2m USB-C to USB-C, giving the user different connectivity options. So looking at the Wavo, Joby have gone for a black and red theme over the standard all black that we generally see. The pop shield comes already installed, so one less step for you to do. Plus, if you want to use it for the omnidirectional mode, you can get an additional pop shield that will go onto the reverse side, so both voices will be shielded from plosives. The pop shield also covers the top of the microphone, which stops the user from talking into it. I've seen a lot of people assume that you're talking to the top of the microphone when they're not designed to do that, so this cover makes sure the user talks into it the right way. Plus, given the pop filter is already installed, there's no doubt on which way you need to speak into it. The face of the pod has a lit wheel which by default changes the headphone monitoring volume, but also doubles as a mute when pressed, turning it red. Then a long press enables the gain control, lighting it purple. Below the control is the pattern selector, and a simple press quickly changes the pickup mode between cardioid and omnidirectional, and for reference, cardioid is on the left and omnidirectional is on the right. On the back of the microphone there's a thumb screw to allow you to remove the pop shield, which could be handy if you're using the mic on the go to make sure nothing gets squashed in your bag. The bottom of the microphone's got the USB-C connection, plus the 3.5mm jack for headphone monitoring. The mic also comes with a 3/8 to 5/8 adapter in the bottom, should you wish to mount this onto a boom arm or a different base. Furthermore, the base even holds a 1/4-20 adapter, should you need an even smaller thread. Joby have implemented 2/4 threads on either side of the pod's base to allow additional accessories to be added on for even more flexibility. For example, you could add the Joby GorillaPod arm kit to allow you to add a small rechargeable light such as the BMO, plus a point and shoot camera for an all-in-one on-the-go recording solution or mobile streaming setup. So the Wavo Pod gives a lot of potential for podcasters, gamers, streamers and vloggers thanks to the flexibility from the USB-C connectivity, cardioid and omnidirectional pickup patterns, and the ability to add additional accessories straight onto the microphone. I'm looking forward to seeing how different creators implement the use of the pod, as it's a very versatile product that can allow endless customization options. And of course, all of this voiceover that you've heard in the video was recorded on the pod itself. So thank you for watching this video. All the relevant product links will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss a future upload. A big thank you to Joby for sponsoring this one, and I'll see you all in the next video.